What strategies do you implement during off-peak season to maintain performance when conversion rates naturally are lower? This is a great question, and it really depends on, is your product seasonal or not? Here you're saying, what strategies do you implement during off-peak season? So from this, I understand that there is a specific peak season. Peak season can mean different things. It can mean that this is a seasonal product. So for example, something that people are buying mostly summer, or it could be something that is, for example, this week it's going to be Halloween. Any Halloween items could become seasonal items. First, is this a seasonal item? For that, we would need to know also for the past year, if this is during off season, what I would be doing is, are there any keywords that are not season specific that I should not be targeting anymore? Are there any keywords that are generic, broad enough, that are just describing my product rather than the season itself? I would be looking in that none of those seasonal keywords are going to showcase in my PPC strategy. So that is the first thing that I would be doing. Second, I would look into, are there any keywords that are evergreen that I could be using? And then are there any strategies that are evergreen that I could be using? For example, can I be still creating automatic campaigns and bring more eyeballs that way? Can I discover new keywords for my product? So those are the steps that I would be taking in order to maintain performance when conversion rates naturally are lower.